got the ABS light, and you got the VSA light. Just stay on, right? So decided to fix that. First, you gotta take those tires off. Right, I mean the whole thing, take it off. In my case, I got take the wheels off, and what I did, I went out and got a speed sensor, ABS speed sensor. So we're gonna replace this. Before I went out and get this, I actually use a scan tool to tell me which side had a bad speed sensor or ABS sensor. Right, so we're gonna take the wheel off, and then we're gonna change this one, and then we're gonna see how it goes from there. First, you want to loosen 5 of these, and then you're gonna jack the car up. So yeah. Perfect. Alright, something snap. What's that? Okay, so that's the speed sensor. This thing here, all the way there. Right, so we're gonna see if we can change that. All the way up there. Okay. We're gonna need to open on it and disconnect. So as you know, guys, the sensor from the engine come down to there. Right, so goes up there and goes in there. So you need to disconnect this from inside there. So this is what we're gonna do. You find it just the speed sensor just underneath, just right there, guys. Hold on. You find it right there. What I just done is disconnect the harness from there. Just right there. So that's the harness. It wasn't connected to there. To there. Okay, lights. Right. So what I did, just disconnect it from inside. In there. Right there. Just disconnect that thing right there. So just gonna pull this off here now. Alright, just gonna take that off. There. There you go. All what you need is screwdrivers. Just put that one that way, put that one that way, and that would come out. Just like so. So we're gonna try to fit a new one in. Just gonna see if it's the same connection. Okay, so this is actually a 2-pin. Alright, so just gonna take it off, and obviously take this out. Alright, so we're gonna take this out. So I think this is the most. So that's a 10. Alright, so just gonna put it aside. I'm gonna try and take this out now. Oh wow. See guys? Look at that. That's what been giving the trouble. I just pull on it and then this just come out. See? So see? That's the problem I've been having. Right? It's not connected. So I'm just gonna try and take this piece out. I might just have to use a screwdriver just to get a little bit of persuasion here. We don't want to break this off in there, or else that would be trouble. Okay, so we're just gonna tap it a little bit with the back of the screwdriver. Just gonna see if we can get it loosen up. Alright, just gonna give it a couple of taps and try to take it out. Alright, you want to be careful because actually this piece is there. Right, so you don't want to get this bit, breaking off in there, right? So just got to give it a couple of taps and see if we could pull this bit out. There you go, guys. As I said, I fear the worst, and this is what happened. Seemed like it been broken before, right? You can see this, someone has changed it and this snapped off, so they didn't bother with it. Just put it back on it and just put these broken wires back in there. All right, so I might have to just drill that out and clean it out. Anyway, guys, let's see what happened there. Okay, just got a drill, so I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna measure this up so I know it's about there. Don't want to go further than that, so I'm gonna try and just drill this out. And what I'm actually doing now is just slowly drill it out, and then I'm going to use the Hoover just to I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to use the Hoover to I'm going to have to do until I get it all out. Okay, so I'm just going to measure this one now just to see how far I'm at with this. Still got a long way to go, so will this need to come out? The ideal way to do it is just to take off all of this, but nah, I ain't gonna do that. But after a couple of drilling, finally kind of take this out. Do a couple of drilling. Right, so that's what it is. It's still clean inside. Just still clean. So after I take this out. Right, so that bit is actually a bit. Right, so just gonna clean it up a little bit and then just put this back in there. How you doing, alright? This was a problem, so now you can see it's still clean inside. Right? Just move it a little bit. Just move this a little bit and see. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean that out. Just use the Hoover. That's vacuum to vacuum it out, right? So that's what it is. What I use is just use this bit, right? Just to put it in there, right? Just hold it there and just drill it out, the old one. Yeah, so that's what I did. Point where we're gonna change we're gonna take this off, take that one off, and yeah, I think that cable tie in here, so we're gonna take this cable tie off, and as you see, this is broken, and we're gonna put this one in now, the new one. Okay, so I think it's clean enough in there, so I think we could just put that in there now. I'm just gonna clean up around the edges, right, and just reinstall that. Just another thing, I need to take this off because this doesn't come with it. It comes with a different type of thing. Well, I'm just gonna take this bit off, right? And because this actually fits in here, right? So that's gonna go through here. fits there, and then the sensor gonna go through there. Okay, that's why you need this. Right? What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this off. Right, we're gonna take this one off. We're gonna take this bit off and put this directly in here. As you see, I put this on the old one. Alright, so put the old one back. So I'm just gonna take this now. I'm just gonna put it back in here, like so. Like so. Like so. So now it's time to put this, take this out. Just gonna run this all the way down, come back around here. We're gonna go back in there. Alright, so I'm done now. You just put this in here. That's the old piece of thingy. Let's push this in here. So put it from here, there, go around here, just right there. This is the old one. I took off the new one. So around this was a new one, but I just used the old one. Right, and around here, come down there, and then put it in here, which is on the. Come down here, and then there's another one just need to get clicked in there. And that's the old one, guys. Let's take this off. That's an old piece. Okay, just put this in here. Right, and then this one. Just gonna move this from here. Then we're gonna put this one here. Just gonna place this one in here like so. So, just gonna put it in place like so, and then just gonna put back the bolts. Put back this one in here. Alright, just gonna put a little bit of grease in it and put it back in there. I think that's about it, guys. The only thing I need to do, so connect back that one over here. And here, right, that's it right there. So that's it now. That's it, guys. Right there. It's not connected to